Okay, we're here at the Weldcoa booth. We had an opportunity and we took it. We got some legends with us. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with Dave Mahoney, past president of GAWDA. Talk about when you installed the Weldcoa fill plant. When was that and how did that go?
Well, I gotta tell you, when I first started looking at equipment, I'm one of these guys that invest early on. So I bought my first fax machine when they were $2,800. But when I went to Weldcoa and I saw their equipment, they had me like at hello. And I installed our fill plant in 2017. And just to watch the delivery and the setup was simply amazing. And I had never filled a cylinder in my entire life. And I went to see one of your plants in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And I had a gentleman ask me if I wanted to fill some C25. And I said, sure. Well, within a couple minutes on a computer screen, I filled C25. And I said, where do I sign? So it's been there ever since. And it's great equipment. We really felt the world of doing business with Weldcoa, and I'd buy another one tomorrow if I needed one.
I love that. Next, I got Jack Butler, another GAWDA legend, past president. Jack, you got a spec gas lab from Weldcoa. Talk about that process and how it went.
Yeah, about 10 years ago or so, we wanted to get more automated in spec gas. So we got the auto self and the flammable specialty gas from Weldcoa. Unlike Dave, we didn't see anyone with that because it was kind of new back then. But we were really impressed with Melissa because she kept us, the whole project, it took about 6 months. We always knew where we were going. And we have it now. We can now fill flammable specialty gases. So we're safer. We can fill hydrogen mixes, which is our goal. And we fill hydrogen outside, but we fill hydrogen mixes inside in the very safe, fast Weldcoa plant. So thank you, Melissa and Hector, for your excellence. We appreciate it.
Love that. And we always talk about Weldcoa fill plants are a generational asset, which brings Liz to the table. Talk about the Ilmo fill plant, who even bought it, and how that's gone so far.
Sure. So we've been a long-time Weldcoa customer. I believe we started with palletizing our fleet, and then when it was time to move to a larger facility in 2000, my mom and her cousin Brad partnered with Weldcoa and put in their first automated fill plant right down the highway in Illinois, and it's been working excellent for us ever since. We've had one upgrade to move it to fully automated, but the longevity is fantastic.
Love it. And last question I got for Melissa. Heard you guys have been growing and expanding. Talk about some of the new hires and what you guys have been working on.
Before we do, I'd like to thank all three of you. So the relationships are very true to us. We've had a lot of generations and succession planning going on. And so there's been a lot of new people in charge of investments that they necessarily didn't make. And the fact that you trust us with your people, their safety, your production, and your business all together is a true honor. And we're there for you now, and we're there for you always. So thank you so much. And because we have all these systems still working and we're still building more, or the distributors of GAWDA are still expanding, we had to expand our staff so we can support everyone, whether it's calibrations, making sure that your components are not going obsolete, that they're still functioning well, and any kind of upgrades or growth that you get. Because let's be honest here, 25 years, 20 years, 10 years, your business might change. And I want you to know that Weldcoa is there for you through that process. And it could be as slow or as big as you want it to be. The relationship's what's important, and we just want you guys to know that we're there for you.
Love it. There you go. Quick update here from Weldcoa. Thank you guys for playing ball with us and for all that you do for the industry. You guys are legends.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good.